It is critical that you keep your tires at the proper pressure which the vehicle specifies, not the pressure rated on the tire itself.
Underinflated tires, it can be very dangerous. So an underinflated tire, I'm gonna try to illustrate this. You can see how that's sagging in the bottom. Some of the issues to look out for is you'll start seeing a defined ring wearing in the sidewall. That is telltale sign of a tire that's underinflated and most likely needs to be replaced. Some of the other issues is you will start wearing on the sidewall. If you start seeing excessive wear here and excessive wear here, that's a good indication of an underinflated tire. The other thing to pay attention to with underinflated tires is you can't always see it. What happens with an underinflated tire is a tire will actually build up heat because of excessive friction on the inside of the tire, and then the tire turns into a blowout hazard. An overinflated tire, some of the dangers of it is first and foremost blowout hazard. The tire is losing this ability to disperse a hit from hitting the pothole. Other things are the tire is more likely to be punctured. The tire is also more likely to wear in the center of the tire. You're going to get premature wear of the tire. So this illustrates a properly inflated tire on most passenger cars. Most properly inflated tires are going to be somewhere, for a car, going to be somewhere between 32 to 35 psi.